Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, I am going to be bringing you two quick and easy Valentine's Day makeup looks. I kind of did it where I geared it more towards like one is like date night kind of vibes and the other is like daytime kind of vibes. You'll understand more when we get into the video, but I'm super excited because I love how both of the looks turned out and I hope you guys do too. So without further ado, if you would like to see both of my Valentine's Day makeup looks, then let's just go ahead and get started. So starting off with the shade called Love Handles from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, I am going to take a big old fluffy brush and just run this throughout my crease. I am now taking the shade called Next and on a smaller fluffy brush beginning to put this in my outer corner and push this into my inner corner as well. Really just blending this almost all throughout my lid space. I do go in with 2 layers of this shade to build it up to the color payoff I was personally looking for. I then go in with the shade called Oh Hello, and it's almost like the shade Next, but just a little bit deeper. It adds the perfect depth to this look in my opinion, and I put it in all the same places that I put the shade Next, only just a little bit lower. So again, focusing it a little lower in the crease and a little more in on my outer corner, but these two shades in my opinion just blend so seamlessly together. I'm actually obsessed with them. I'm now taking the shade called Crazy, and on a pencil brush, I'm going to run this on my lower lash line, really kind of tight and making sure to connect it at that outer corner. I really like this shade because it pulls a bit more purple while the other shades pull more pink, so it just brings something extra to the look. I then take the brush I used with the shade Oh Hello and just buff it out a bit to really blend it together, and then I go back in with the Love Handle shade and just run it all around the outer perimeter of my entire eye look to just make sure everything is blended nice and seamless. I'm now taking this Urban Decay Moondust powder in the shade Starlight, and I am just tapping this on the inner half of my eye. And then I'm going in with this shade called Empowered from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna mesh this and the glitter together on my outer corner. I think it was just a really lovely added touch, but not too overpowering. I'm going to pop on some mascara, and this is the Milani High Rise Mascara. And then I decided that I wanted to use an eyeliner, so I'm putting this Colourpop gel liner in the shade Charmer, I believe, on my waterline. And then I'm going to take my e.l.f. Smudge Proof Mascara for the lower lash line. If you guys know, you know. Of course, your girl is going to pop on lashes. You do not have to do this, but these are the Lilly lashes in the style Yasss Queen. And then we're going to move on to the face. So I am taking the Anastasia Rosewood Bronzer, and I'm just going to go ahead and add some color to these cheeks. For my blush, I am mixing a couple of shades from my Tarte blush palette. Now I am going for a heavier, more blushed look today, so you can definitely tone it down if that's what you want, but y'all know your girl's a blush hoe, and so I'm really just packing it on these cheeks and across my nose. I'm going in with this Bubbly highlighter from the Anastasia Glow Kit. And then for lips, I'm going in with the Kylie Cosmetics Posie K Lip Kit. And then I'm going to top it off with the Nars Chelsea Girls Gloss, an oldie but a goodie. And then there you have it, you guys. This is my more date night version of a Valentine's Day makeup look. Love how pretty it is. Love how easy it was to do. So I really hope that you guys liked this one. Okay, so now jumping into look number 2, my daytime Valentine's Day look. So I'm going to start off with the face, and I decided to use a lot of the same products just to make it kind of easier for you guys to follow along. So this is the Anastasia Rosewood Bronzer, and I'm going to be using this Ofra blush, and this is in the shade Winter Rose. I was just recently informed of that, so I love that knowledge for me, and popping that on my cheeks. And then for the eyes, it's going to be so simple. I'm running the Benefit Hoola Bronzer in my crease, And then I'm jumping back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm using the shade Tipsy Girl. And on a nice and fluffy pencil brush, I'm going to start popping this into my inner corner. You are going to have to build this up a little bit. You're going to want to focus the most of the color on the very inner corner, and then work on really diffusing that out on the upper lid and lower lash line. Once you have it built up to the color pigmentation that you want, you are then going to pop on a fierce wing, girl. I am using my Hank & Henry Slick With It liner. This is my tried and true liner, you guys know, and I am adding one hell of a wing. So you can do with that what you will. I also did pop on lashes, but was so far out of the frame it was not even funny, but they are the Lilly lashes in the style Miami. And then of course we're going to highlight as well, and I decided to use the Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit, and I'm mixing the two shades. I think it's Kitty Cat and Forever Lit, and with a light hand, these highlighters are stunning. For lips, I am taking the Bite Beauty lipstick in the shade Honeycomb, and then topping it off with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Baby Brute. And there you have it, you guys. This is my more daytime Valentine's Day makeup look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed both of these looks. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you did like it, you know what's up. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you guys have a lovely Valentine's Day, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye!